Good morning. Good morning. So we got two that are kind of on the to-do list today, which is PRZO, which kind of came up later in the morning, and then from Friday we had SVFD. So I'm gonna be looking into those two and seeing what's going on here. So the first one, SVFD, is Save Foods, and it is agricultural inputs. It's based out of Israel. Agri-food tech company develops and sells eco-friendly green treatments for the food industry to enhance food safety and shelf life of fresh produce. Was formed out of 2016, or in the year of 2016. Um, it had a name change, and then it was incorporated in 2009. It's been around for a while. The other one is PRZO. Aerospace defense, based out of Israel as well. So we have two Israeli movers today. This one, let's see, aerospace company engages in the design, development, manufacturing, and distribution and sale of an autonomous parachute safety systems for commercial drones in the United States, Israel, Canada, Europe, and internationally. The company offers Safe Air System, a smart parachute system that monitors unmanned aerial systems flight in real time, as well as identifies critical failures and, and autonomously triggers a parachute in the event of an emergency. Okay. So this one was incorporated
Donald.
in 2013.
Morning.
Good morning, Danielle. So we got two Israeli movers today, up 75% and up 121%. So now the question is, which one's going to be the mover of the day? Let's jump over here to TOS and look at the daily charts. We'll start with SVFD here. So this one back here came down, had a nice little fall down to 284 from $6, and then a further fall and reached a low of 50 cents. And this morning has gapped up over its 200 moving average. 200 moving average is at the 96 cents and currently holding at a 140. So right above is this previous high right here. Well, I guess let's extend this to the left, and we can see several touches here at the 130. One, two, three touches. So we'll see what happens at the 130 on that one. The other one is PRZO, which closed on Friday at 145, $1.45, and now is opening up at, or will be opening up around, looks like around 260s. So right around this little top, about to enter this gap here. So this gap was from the $3 down here to the 277s, trying to enter this gap. Let's go over the actual news catalyst here. So SVFD actually started ripping in aftermarket on Friday. And this is kind of like a continuation or something like that on FVD or SVFD. We'll see what happens on today, but it looks like it's trying to retest that 130 right now. PRZO was a mover from today. Let's look at the current news here. So we got some news on the first, which was ParaZero receives order from air taxi and cargo drone solutions company. Okay, and none of the financial terms were disclosed in that order. So let's see. Look at this news. Okay. Hmm. ParaZero receives order from, let's see. Okay, let's read into this.
Drifter. G morning y'all.
Good morning,
Good vibes.
Drifter. Drifter, are you looking at PRZO and SVFD, two Israeli stocks? PRZO looking like it's coming on down. We'll see. Still up 71%. SVFD popping back up as well a little bit. I saw this other one this morning, BSFC. It's a $1.10.
Thumbs up sign.
It's $1.10, up only 24%. It looks like it's choppy anyway on BSFC. But let me look at what this company does on that one. SFC. Packaged goods services. This is out of Florida, United States Consumer Defense.
Drifter. Plus VTGN.
VTGN. Let's look at VTGN. Oh yeah, I see that one now. I had closed up that scanner. Yep. It is definitely up. Let's look at the news on VTGN. Vistagen announces a positive top-line result for Phase 3 Palisade. And this is a nasal spray in social anxiety disorder. Okay, let's open that up. It's crazy how that name Palisade is almost like Palestine or Palestinian when we got all this news about Israeli stuff. That's funny, ain't it? How people just kind of trade what's near stuff. Let's see. Anything happening? Anything else happening? Let me look at the daily chart on VTGN. Daily chart. We had a little bit of a gap down from 74 down here to 15, and now all of a sudden we got this pop up here. Closed at the 168 and now is open way over its highs here. So the highs was at 356 and this thing is at like $7. So that's a $3 move. Well, I mean it's a $6 move in total from where it closed last week, but yeah, about a $6 move there. Lots of big movers on the board. And it is a low float as well. Let's go and look into these floats. VTGN. VTGN Therapeutics clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focuses to transform the treatment landscape for individuals living with anxiety, depression, and other central nervous system disorders. The company pipeline includes 6 clinical stage product candidates, including 5 investigational agents belonging to drugs known as pherines. In its product pipeline comprises PH94B and Fazinadol nasal spray, which is in phase 3 development for the treatment of social anxiety disorder. So that's the one that that's coming out. Well, not coming out. It's in phase 3. Okay. And this company was founded in 1998. So this is the oldest company on the board that is up quite a bit. Now it's up to $10. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Up 486%. Bro, this thing has, I mean, this thing is, what? 3 million shares up 520%. This is a huge range here. That's crazy. Okay, so we definitely have some contenders on the board today. And my stomach is growling. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting on VTGN. That is a huge move up to $12. Every time I click off of this thing, it's going up. Like every time. Where did it come from? I mean, that is an insane move right there in pre-market. I know that there's going to be there's got to be some type of consolidation on this thing. That's crazy.
Pablo Scobber 42. VTGN, what a fucking blessing.
Oh, were you in there, man? Were you in there in VTGN? Let me see. Where's he at? He in the Discord? Oh yeah, he's in the Discord. Let me see. Oh yeah, I see you. Yeah, Mohammed got into VTGN early, apparently. Up 700%, up to $13 now. So wow. That's all I can say about that one. Wow.
Jimis Lifestyle. Smiling face with open mouth and cold sweat. Nightbird. Check out our Discord. No paywall. Free to join.
BTGN.
https://discord.gg/8b2fjutwpe.
Up to $17, man. Is this real life? Is this what the Monday morning wants to start off with? Now, this week, a lot of earnings are about to come out, but VTGN is destroying everything. Like, what?
Driftar. Just shot up another $3.
Man. So at this point, I don't even have FOMO. I'm just looking like, that's amazing, you know? Some people come in, they be like, "Oh, this thing's up 1,000%. It's time." It is passing $20. This thing, it moved from 2 to 20, 2 to 20. That's an $18 move, bro.
Driftar. $21.
Oh my gosh, man. This is definitely an interesting start to the week.
Driftar. $23.
25, man. This thing here, bro. Where the shorts at? Who got their back blown out today? I know some shorts got blown out.
$27.
Think about if you're in a short position, even 100 shares, and 1,000 shares, 10,000 shares short. Oh man, somebody got wrecked. There's probably gonna be some closing of some accounts today. Bank's gonna have to close out on those short positions. Up 1,200% with 4 million shares traded. Well, it is a top 10 volume mover, at least. Here's my scans, what I'm looking at right now. I still see MF up here, which is probably going to lose out to VTGN, but SVFD. And what I was looking at for today on these charts is some obvious entries, but with this one sucking up the attention like this, I don't even know if obvious entries are even going to matter. MF at 270 right now, so it did open up higher. First annual Stewart invitation benefiting the Payne Stewart Kids Golf Foundation was MF's news on today. SVD, I don't know if it's going to be able to compete. It's at 97% right now. Yeah, it's probably going to get real hectic out here. I don't even know, man. This thing's about to go higher. It might break 30. The top right here was the high of the 2783. This is a pre-market parabolic move. I don't even know if this is parabolic. Usually parabolic has a little bit more curve. This wasn't a curve. This was just homelessness is the best way to describe it. Let's see. Man, if it breaks out of this 2811, man. Oh my goodness. I wonder, is it going to be halting today downward? Because it has such a big move upwards. I mean, for it to halt upwards, that would be crazy. But then again, it has already proven that crazy is possible. Can you get through that 2850? Crazy thing is, it has no prior history up here. So it's like, it is literally blue skies. Question is, are you brave enough to buy in the clouds? When we've left Earth so much. We look out here on the level 2s. Can we see any large size? I mean, it's so expensive now. I doubt we're going to see any crazy sizes, especially with it being this extended. I'm sure somebody will try it. I was looking earlier at FD for a possible bounce off of the 90s, but man, at this point, with this thing going up like this, I might just have to sit on my hands. PRZO is looking for it to break down this. I had already put this mark out here, looking for it to break down 235s. Don't really know where it can come down to, but I was looking for some consolidation under 235. Got about 10 minutes until the bell. And the question is, like, with these that go up like this, where does the backside of the move start? Does it start at the open? Does it want to go up some more? How much data do we need to see, hey, this thing is on the backside? Because this is a huge front side move. Now, if it continues to go up, I mean, with the way it's moving, $10 may not be that hard. $5 may not be that hard. But if it goes against you, $5, that's where things kind of get tricky. Well, looks like it's going against the shorts. $10. Like I just said, that is insane. This thing is up 2,000%. Muhammad is rich right now. Absolutely rich. He's banking. What? Why do you call me?
Jimis Lifestyle. There she goes.
Well, missed that call. He should have texted me. He should have texted me. Man, this thing's up to $50, bro. Short search, it's over. They're evaporated. Like there is no. I mean, what? How do you manage this short position? You're down $50 a share. How? I don't. I don't know, man. This is abusive right here. This is real abusive or abrasive. I don't know what word to use here. Well, if somebody was in this, that they definitely took quite a bit of a win.
Small position for the ride. Entry 40.88. Exit 53.11. Fun ride.
Damn, man.
Exit 53.11.
Oh my goodness, man. This man. I mean, Donnell does it again, man. Does it again. Quick pre-market scalps. Plenty of volume to sell to people. Wow. And then right back down to 34. This thing is covering $20 at a time. $20 at a time. Now, would you call that manipulation? I mean, is that manipulation? I don't know. $20 at a time on the low float. Okay, PRZO coming on down under that 235. SVFD.
Donald. Momentum trade. Something moving.
Yeah. Well, that's like a freight train moving. You jumped onto a freight train and didn't lose your legs. Good job. Right, we got about 5 minutes to the bell.
Donald. LOL.
Oil still holding up those 82s there for us, Donnell. We're still looking good on oil. Going on up. I'm gonna continue to add to my positions as well, though. Oil's looking real nice. Real nice. Five minutes to the bell, man. I hope nobody got caught up there buying around 50 because they're down $25 a share right now. And counting.
Lori Lee. Hi.
What's up, Lori? We're watching people get crucified this morning with VTGN. There's not really a nail in the coffin just yet. This thing is moving $20 per like minute, a couple minutes, 5 minutes. Insane. We're gonna see how this open goes. PRZO pulling back under this 235. I need to see this thing consolidate. I don't trust it. It's a little bit too close to just come back up to 235 there. PRZO only up 49% right now, and SVFD still up as well.
Check out our Discord. No paywall. Free to join. https://discord.gg/8b2fjutwpe.
SVFD. Want to see it come down some more, but you know. Four minutes left on this one. 4 minutes left to the open, I mean.
Donald. VTGN. Sell off at open.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking a big sell off
Lee.
at open.
SVFD might halt.
I'm looking. I wanted to try it at 90, but it's got a little gap here at $1 as well. So I want to see how close it can get to $1 on SVFD. And I kind of want to see what happens with this big mover at VTGN, because I don't want to get into one and then this one runs off.
Unbelievable VTGN, going 2000% on nasal spray. Nightbird. I live stream Monday, Wed, Friday from 8 AM to 9 AM CST.
SVFD, not looking bad though. Could risk off the $1 on it. MF, ETGN, BSFC losing itself. Do we have any other large movers? We have ENVB of 14% is a cannabis stock.
Nightbird. Check out Reliable Rudy aka Rooster live streams https://www.youtube.com/@reliablerudy9998/streams.
Okay, so ENVB, that's a cannabis stock. Kind of getting a little pump up there from 287 up to the 5s, but coming right back down. I saw it real quick and then it came back down, so not too worried about that one. But definitely keeping an eye on PRZO and SVFD. The bottom right here is 114, 112 is coming to. Not really a bottom, but a test of a low at 112. I could risk 12 cents there off the $1 if it can hold it up.
Nightbird. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy the content and want to see more. Lori Lee. MF also good.
MF, yeah, it came down a little bit. It's up 37%, but I don't know. We'll have to see which one wants to be the one. SVFD coming on down. Come on down, baby. Clear this little gap. The gap right here is at 110. All right, VTGN back down to 20 bucks. Nice.
Lori Lee.
We just opened up.
Continuation on big volume.
Eyes on SVFD for me. I want to see what it wants to do to the downside, if it can get down anymore.
Nightbird. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy the content and want to see more.
Pretty quick. All right, SVFD looking like something to play. I'm gonna give it a little bit. I wanted to kind of give it a little bit of time, but this one I was kind of interested in. It's up 91%. But still want to watch this. VTGN getting right back up to $23. Big range there. Woo! Boy, that was a pop out. All right, so it has a top here of the 130s on SVFD. But these are only the beginning minutes, so no trigger pulling yet. Looking to see what it wants to do down to $1. Up 102%. 11 million shares traded on it. Can it slap down a little bit? VWAP at the 122, so it is above VWAP. Looking for it to get back under the 125s. Come on, 125s. Holding quite strongly on this one, SVFD. Bottom of this is the 116s. We look on the daily chart. Oh, yeah, there was a slap down. I was about to say, if we look on the daily chart, this is where it was struggling at this 130 right here and getting slapped.
VTGN looks like a halt.
Oh yeah, VTGN is definitely into a halt there. I'm not gonna worry about ENVB trash. We have another reverse split stock, ADIL, but that's low volume. I ain't worried about that. BNOX is up 31%. What is this one? BNOX, nothing really. I don't like that one. It's got a lot of work to do. All right, SVFD. So you tried to get up. You're coming down to the gap. Oh, you're coming on down to $1. We're letting you play out. MF trying to come up as well. SVFD, come on down, baby. Fill this gap. Right on down here to the $1. MF back up to $3, up 52%, holding 10% up on the day. Okay, MF is definitely getting aggressive towards this top. Previous top was the 350s. Possible resistance up here at 350. Snapping back there. Giving it some time. Still waiting on SVFD to give us one more lunge down. Okay, looking across the board on PRZO, here's this daily chart coming down here and testing this 218 level, holding out of this 218 level, previous level that it consolidated in, which is interesting. We're continuing to get on down. I needed to see a little bit more consolidation. Looks like it's going to go and test the $2. SVFD. Come on, somebody wants it. MF holding around the 310s. Okay, PRZO getting a push all the way down to the $2 here. Look on the daily chart. This is the $2 that is hitting right here. 205s. Still up 40%. I may actually take it off of this $2 though, for real. Looks pretty good to me. We'll see. It does have the news on the day, but VTGN just opened up. SVFD still coming down. I'm gonna give it a little time. It hit a low of the $2. So it's 10 cents off of it right now. We'll follow the plan because it may continue to dip a little bit and give me a better entry. Only thing is, there isn't a lot of information on PRZO at all. SVFD. So MF is pretty much the only thing holding green right now. MF trying to get back over those 320s real quick. The body candles of these previous hours are 316 for a little bit of possible resistance or support. Okay, SVFD going on down, down, down. Still up 70%. PRZO 216s. Okay, it's getting a little punch down there towards the $2. So looking over on the daily chart again, right back down here towards this bottom of the 206. And on SVFD, right going back towards the 200 moving average here of the 96. So watching everything right now. MF back under $3. Heavy pullback. PRZO continue to look like it wants to hold up with this 11 million shares here above that $2. So it's definitely looking interesting to me. Top side was the 271s here. Possible possible resistance. Brief little pullback. VTGN down 18%. Getting absolutely slaughtered.
Deadly_UFA07. Please help me. How do I enable extender hours on Street Smart Edge?
Okay.
I don't know how.
So on Street Smart Edge, if you want to do extended hours, you go to settings and you can turn on your pre-market and post-market right here on any chart, or you can apply this to all charts. Apply settings to all charts to show pre-market and post-market times, and you can delineate what time that you want there, or change or adjust the time that you want as pre-market or post-market. SVFD coming on down, baby. Come on down, come on down. Y'all still got a little push in y'all. Y'all know y'all want to sell a little bit more. PRZO doing the same thing, kind of just slowing down. Both of these are Israeli stocks. Both of them are based around AI.
07. Thanks, bro. Just changed it.
No problem, man. But right now, my top watches are SVFD. Now, VTGN is just heading down so quickly. And it does have a big range. It's still up 1,000%, but does it have a reason to be up is a question. PRZO continuing to play around down here. The bottom side was a 202. I may risk this this little change right here to get in on PRZO though. I'm continuing to look at it and kind of monitor it here on PRZO. Very interesting move. I'm looking on TOS and I'm like, okay, if this thing breaks over 234s right here, this could be a nice little move upward, right? And it's continuing to hold this consolidation level right here at 215s. So, you know, very interesting on this level. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some and just add to it. SVFFD also coming up though. Both of them are interesting. PRZO right back up. Looking. I'm on a tightrope. I'm between these two. I don't know which one that I believe in the most. But Para Zero seems like it has a better catalyst. I may give it a shot. All right, got in there 1,000 shares. Gonna give it a shot, and I add to this if it doesn't want to play ball right away. So I'm in 1,000 right there. Looking for a test back up here into this level, at least a halfway point, maybe 250s. See if it can ride over a little bit. 239s, very interesting. Looking for it to kind of give me a little move. And I'll get my limit orders ready for 230s. Wait. My entry was 224. Entry was 224.25. My bad. I didn't have it up on the screen. And looking for a pop over this 240 level. And this is what it's looking like on TOS right now. So my entry was 224 down here, which is, I'm definitely good, but I'm looking for a move upward on 1,000 shares. And I did not have my P&L there. Okay, I'm up 37 bucks right now. And now we're facing a freeze. What in the world's going on? I know I'm in the green. I'm looking on my TOS. It's still moving. So TOS, this is what I'm seeing. Whoa, what? Yo, what is going on? Okay. So at this point, I can't move anything. Okay. What is going on with this? Yeah, so entering a freeze on PRZO. Getting a little pop and drop syndrome there on PRZO. See if we can get over here and look at it. PRZO and SVFD also came up. So both of these looking like they may or may not end up holding this, but I don't know why this thing's freezing like this. I'm gonna go ahead and close my I'm gonna close my Street Smart Edge and open it back up real quick. Okay, and I'm looking to add, if it will allow me to, I'm looking to add to this PRZO position. Okay. What are we down? Okay. MF. Oh man, it's restarted everything. All right, let me enter this PRZO. All right, it's up at 219. Okay, so yeah, I'm adding adding to this position is what I wanted to do. I may give it a little time now that I just got it back up. Let me make sure y'all are seeing this. Yep. Okay. Got 1,000 shares in there. Got the $2 as a bottom. And it's continued to hold up here on TOS. Want to add another 1,000 for real. Added another 1,000 there. Looking for it to stay. I'll sell out below $2. So I put a stop down here at 2. So I got 2,000 shares there. And right now I'm only up a couple cents. And if it could freaking give me my, there we go. Oh my goodness, that's what's causing the freeze. Okay, that's what's causing the freeze. Well, I'm in 2,000 shares. I'm in the green right now, but yeah, now I know what's going on. All right, that is what's causing my freeze. Oh, it came back alive. Okay, cool. I really don't like that it's doing that. That's insane. Why am I facing these horrible problems with 2,000 shares out here, bro? Why? Let's see if I can knock this thing off. Nope, cannot.
Donald. SVFD, moving up.
Yeah, I know a lot of stuff's moving up, and I just can't even trade. I'm in a trade with 2,000 shares, and I'm just out here, you know, on the brink of non-existence as this thing struggles. Come on, man. Well, at least I bought the level that I wanted to buy, which is definitely in the plan. Just gotta get everything back working, I guess. Golly, man, give me all kinds of issues. All right, where to go? PRZO. Okay, so we're still sitting here. The bottom. And SV. Let me look at SV right quick. SVFD. It's halted up. Dang, man. Got these issues. I usually don't have it. Well, I guess I am trading earlier in the day, so that's the only thing about trading early on this thing. Sometimes you get a little issue, but it's really not. It was really because I was remapping these charts is where it was finding its little pause point. So here's another point where it's coming down towards the $2. And I'm looking to add again if it can hold this 2 up. What SVFD. Okay, it's already there. Looks like we're holding up PRZO again. And we're halted there. Okay. Get rid of Amazon. Get rid of AAOI. Get rid of Duo. All of these things were old things that were once in. This thing's holding again here, looking like I'm gonna add again. Holding here right under the 220s. This low is the 208. Looking for another add point. 10,000 shares right there at the 215s. Can it show me some green? And SVFD just running away with the ball right here. It just opened up. And I definitely missed that entry down there at the $1. But that's okay. Looking to add again. I'm going to bring my size down and just add smaller positions to this on PRZO. SVFD is definitely doing its thing though. Right now, I'm not in too much of a worry area because I'm buying into this consolidation, looking for the buyers to come in here and get aggressive. Let me do a limit order. So all of my orders have been under 225 so far. Okay. Jump up here to 250 up here. Try to collect some here. Got some there at 250. So I'm in 2,250 shares. See the 220s continue to get bumped up on. Add again there. I want to see this thing continue to hold over the $2 basically. So about a 20-cent risk on these 2,500 shares. Unless I add again.
Reliable Rudy. What's the catalyst for PRZO?
They received a order of, so they do AI. They're into the AI world, and they received a order of, what were we talking about? Order of, it's for the drones. Order, oh my goodness, I'm in a trade right now. I'll get to it later. We talked about it earlier, bro. I'll get to it in a minute. Letting this thing play right now. Looking for all of my entries below 220s though. Give me a second on this. This one's back halted as well. But my average price is 225 right now. Can I get one more ad though?
Reliable Rudy. My bad, IUST tuned in. I'm still on vacation.
Oh, got you. Well, I'll let you know how this trade goes. Dang, you went on multiple vacations, didn't you? Oh, try to get an entry right there. I tried to throw out a limit order. All right, let's see if I can size down a little bit. 220s. Yeah, okay, I threw one out. Can I get that fill? We're in 2,500 shares. It does not look like it's going to give me the fill. If it doesn't, oh well. Yeah, there's 230s. And right now, I'm scared to move this thing. Okay, got the fill right there on the 220.
Reliable Rudy. Yes, went to the Ozarks, now I'm in Florida. Reliable Rudy. Florida.
So looking for this thing to just hold these levels here. I continue to throw shares out. Not throw shares out, throw orders out. And And right now on TOS, we can see it's holding this consolidation point. This is what I was interested in for a bounce. SVFD still doing its thing. Holding up there. I'm going to try to get another order fill. Can I get that at 217s? Almost. Let's throw one at 218. Yeah, almost got an order fill there. Okay, got one. 25s.
Lori Lee. Cool, Rudy. Have fun. Reliable Rudy. I got a 2.15 entry.
2.15, 215 entry. Nice. Looking for this thing to rise. Trying to get another fill here at the 217s. Okay, got a little fill there. It's got 14 million shares traded on it. I'm just looking for the 220s to hold. Previous low of this thing though, down here, this is where I was looking. This $2 is where I really want to stop out of it. If it starts going back into this body, I don't have anything I could do with it. Looking to add again. I'll throw an order at 214s. SVFD continued to pop out. Yeah, I completely missed that one. Oh well. This one has the catalyst, so I want to see if it can hold up $2. See if I can get another ad at 215. If it shows me a little green. Yep, there's some green. Throwing out an order at 215. See if I can get 216s. Got that feel. 216s. Not giving me any more feels. Let's see if we can get back up to 220. There's 220s. Let's see if we can get over this level of the 231s. I'm going to try to throw some more orders out at 220 here. Got a little bit. So I got 2,500, 25. Okay. Looking for this thing to do a turning point over the 220. Continuing to add here 220s. And I'm going to use this bottom candle 208s as my out here. Getting over 220. Still throwing out orders, not getting filled. I have 2,540 right now. I'm going to cancel these orders just in case it snaps down. And I'm looking for it to get over the 20s. Right now, if we look on a daily chart, this is what I'm looking at. Daily chart looking like about to go green. My average price is 224. So looking for it to hold up the 224s. Let's see what we can get. I don't want to mess around too much with the chart since it was already giving me problems trying to break down and all that. So I'm kind of just playing it here. Looking for the breakout here over this level of the 230s. Looking on the hour chart, showing a little bit of green, just letting it go. So I'm up 135 bucks right now, and I'm about to start looking to take. Let's see. Let's look at the now 34s would be 10 cents. So 34 is what I'm looking at. 34s. Can we get over and hold the 30? Come on now, don't play. Big drop there. But we got a bottom down here at the what's this? The low of the 147 or something like that, pulling back up there. So we're going to use this as our out 210s. And so that risk will be 14 cents if it can stay above this 210. But I need to see some green up here. I need to see it get back up here to the 224s first. And then my stop goes here at 210. Can we see some 21s on the tape? TOS still looks good at this consolidation. Looking for those buyers to get aggressive. They saw it come up. They saw the slam down. And it's still some kind of indecision here at the 224s. Pulling back up there. Can we get back over the 15s? 215s is my question.
Donald. SVFD.
Halt down. Nice. That's what I need. Let it be halted down and see if buyers come over here to PRZO. So 215 can hold. I'll continue to throw orders out here at 215s. Ooh, big buy up. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to throw them at 20. That was a big little pop there. Let's see if it can stay up here. See if I can get some 18s here. Can we see those 18s pop? This count is going to be closing in a couple minutes, and I am missing my meeting right now that I'm supposed to be in. I'm just going to let this play.
PRVO, no.
And I'm looking for this thing to just stay up above. Let's say I put my stop right now, since I'm probably not going to be watching, maybe at 190, and looking for it to get up. But I want to finish entering here under the 220s. That's what I was really trying to aim to do. All right, a lot of selling coming through, which is okay. Back up to the 15s. But cannot make that move down, seems like. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw an order out there at 15. Got that feel. Continue to add around 215s. Market, oops, limit 215. Can we see 214, 215 come back? See 14s on the tape, so I'm going to be adding.
Reliable Rudy. 2.07 or and 1.98 are the to stop options in my opinion.
Yep. Looking for those 14s though. There's a 14. Adding there at 15. Adding. Looking for a just small pop through the 24s, really. Can I see some more 14s? There's 12s.
Nightbet. Check out our Discord. No paywall. Free to
see
join.
If I can bring this down to 14.
https://discord.gg/8b2fjutwpe.
Getting back into this level again, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it down to 12, 2 12s, and add a little bit. Throwing some orders out there, getting filled, 2 12s. Looking for a nice pop back over the 2 20s. Throwing order out there, 212. Could not get that fill. Throwing another one out there, 2 12s. Okay, got the field there. So just looking for over 225, basically.
Nightbet. I live stream Monday, Wed, Friday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. CST.
Throwing some orders out here, 1 or 2 11s. Not getting those. Okay, let's jump back up to 212. Not getting those. All right, let's jump to 213. So 213s is kind of having a hard time filling me there. Okay, got a field there, 213. See if I can get some more. All right, so now I have 2,600 shares. Average price of 224. Still looking for those 213s. Two 12s. 11s. All right, so I got what, 2 10s there on the bids. All right, so 2,600. I'm gonna put a stop down here at, what is this low? Well, this low, 202. So for right now, I'm looking at the 190, looking for it to get bought up there as a stop. I don't want to get clipped out here. Sell 190, 189. So my stop is out there for that level, but looking for it to hold back up the 215s. And I'm looking to add some as well. 210. So 210. It's another little pause spot here. Go ahead and try to buy some. Oh, it didn't let me get my buy. Okay, 213s. Got a field there. 212. Can I get some at 212? Got a field there. 212s. Did not give me that one. Can I get another fill at 213? 214. All right. Give me that 213. You've been holding here for a while, so let's see if you can hold up. Adding there a little bit more. Average price still at 224s. But just looking for those 215s to start to hold. Throw another order out at 213s, another fill there. Another buy. Oh no, I threw one out, it didn't get filled. Okay, 15.
Driftar. At Donald, small position for the ride, entry 40.88, exit 53.11. Fun
Right.
ride. Person bowing deeply. 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 Person bowing deeply.
All right, 215s holding here a little bit. Looking for a move back up here to the 225s. We have about 3 minutes on this on the bell, not on the bell, on the candle, 15-minute candle. Looking for this thing to hold up the
Donald.
190s.
PRZO, entry 2.14.
Entering here at 215 again. I have 2,655 shares right now.
Nightbot. Check out our Discord. No paywall. Free to join. https://discord.gg/8b2fjutwpe.
2,660. Just need to see those
Reliable
214s.
Solid entry.
It's getting a little push down. About to close this candle
Donald.
in literally
Thanks,
a
Driftar.
couple seconds.
Stunks_n_chomps_gaming. Hey family, how is everyone?
We're good, man. We're out here chilling, watching a trade play. This one's coming on down. Let's see what's about them. $2. Okay, let's do a $2 entry. 203. Oh no, it didn't give it to me. Let me see 210.
Donald.
No.
Cut Perzo.
Okay.
Dud.
I did not get my entry right there. Come on, baby. Give me my entry at 210. Okay, got one. Got one more. Come on. Give me one more entry. Drop down just a little bit. I think I got that one too. So 210, 210. Now my average price is 223. Okay, it's trying to get over the 210s. I got orders here at 210. Come on now. Give me what I need. Might need 211 here. I'm gonna get a 211. Okay. So right now 211s is what I'm really aiming for it to test back up. Entering, I have 2,700, and can I please get a fill? Okay. All right. I may not get a chance to do anything else. I'm going to use this bottom here that is struggled on with the 208 as an out, but looking for it to stay above that 208 level. It needs to give me some more green though. Bottom of this is 202s. Tried to add there, missed it at 209. Adding there under the 210s. Looking for this thing to get 211 strong. Adding again. 2,740 shares. Looking for a retest of the 225s. All right, and so yeah, oops, I accidentally moved my stop. It was at the 190, 189. Looking for this thing to get up and go. Put my stop back in there and letting it play out. Looking for the twos to hold. This whole dollar level. Got a couple minutes until this candle closes, like 15 minutes or so. Looking for it to hold up the 210s. Show me some buyers at this 210 level. Looking on the books though, let's see, we got on the ask, where is a dangerous level that needs to be tested? I don't really see one. Showing a little bit of red. Show me the trade. Let me look back at SVFD here. Big wicks, a lot of big wicks just grinding higher. Can it hold within this candle? Can it get back over the 210s is the question. Now it's at the 205s. 205. You get a little bit of that at 205. Can it continue to hold here? Go ahead and get a little bit down here at 205s. Two and 190. Two 742. All right, now my order's back in there. Another time struggling to get that 2 there. See if it can get some buying over the 210s. Any kind of green here, looking for that 225 retest. And at this point, 203 is looking like it's going to be a point that I'm going to have to use as a move my stop up to 203 if it gets going and fails again up here at 218s. I want to see it back over 210s though. First.
Lori Lee. Dear Lauren. How are you?
Can we see 08s, 09s? Holding up this level once again. There's a little bit of green. Need to see it over 210. $208s. Okay. So over 223, I'm in profit though. Down 15 cents right now. And looks like I'm gonna need to risk what, 20 cents on this. So 213s. Once it gets over 213, that's where I'll probably be putting it. But we gotta see it go up first.
Stunks _ chumps _ gaming. I am doing well, just working crazy hours. How are you?
Things kind of just fanning back and forth right now. But I kind of like it because the range is tightening up. So we'll see if they can blast back out of the 210s and hold.
Stunks _ chumps _ gaming. At Lori Lee. Lori Lee. Good, Lauren. Happy to hear from you.
Come on. Rip that 210 out of there. Got plenty of volume, plenty of everything. So what are we doing?
Stunks _ chumps _ gaming. Holy shit, Robo girl is annoying.
You don't like the girlfriend, man? Oh man. Well, it keeps me from having to read the chat. There's 210s, 10 cents away now. So now we're going to be putting
Stunks _ chumps _ gaming. So good to see you.
We're gonna go ahead and see if 202 can hold here. And that's where I'll be moving my stop
Stunks
if this goes up.
_N_Chumps _gaming. Not that voice. Get Cortana to read it to you.
Cortana?
Nightbet. Check out our Discord. No paywall. Free to join. https://discord.gg/8b2fjutwpe. Stunks _N_Chumps _gaming. How have things been at DriftR?
Alright, there's 210. Can we go ahead and test up the 220s? So once I move this to 202, the risk here will be about 20 cents on this one. But I was looking for it to give some kind of upwards movement over 210. There's some 11s on the tape, but I don't see any green 11s.
DriftR. I'm well, thank you. Glad to hear you're too.
Come on, bro. Give me the move. Give me that move, bro. It's only 9:30. We don't need much. We just want you to change the color of our accounts. That's all.
Patience, Hal. Stunks _N_Chumps _gaming. You guys have a great day. I am going to try not stab my eye out with a pen at the DMV.
Yeah, definitely don't do that. Insurance is too high.
That place.
So, quick question. How are y'all? So,
DriftR. Lori Lee. Take care, Lauren, smiling face with heart-shaped eyes.
So, quick question. With the voice that's reading, would you like, so I can do several things with that.
Gaming. I hope you have a wonderful night at Lori Lee. Stunks _N_Chumps _gaming.
I could do a couple of things with the lady that's reading. She could just read the chat, or she can read the names out. That's what she's doing now. She's reading the names out and reading the chat. Let me see. I go to about. Let's see if I can change her up real quick. Notifications. What is she replying? Notifications. I will turn up. See, the thing is, when she reads the nicknames, I automatically know who's talking. If she just reads it out, then I'm gonna be like, who? I don't know. I'll turn off the nicknames, and so she'll just read the chats. What's going on down here? We got another hold point at 202. I'm looking for those buyers to come in aggressively through the 202.
Sorry, Hal. Have a great one. The spammer will be gone.
All right, so we just opened up a new hour candle. Previous hour candle low was 216.
Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy the content and want to see more.
Gonna see where this thing wants to go, but 216, I really don't want to see it break down this previous low of the, not 216, 202. Previous low of the 202. I want to see it try to get up and out of here. So 202 will be the next stop point. Only down 12 cents right now. Can we see you get over, what's this previous high? 215. Break over 215 will look pretty good. Okay, there's 213s, only down 10 cents now. And VWAP is at the 218. So 202 is becoming the new stop. If we can break out over this 215, there we go. All right, so 202 is my new stop here. Don't want to see it slam down. Come on, push up, push on up. Looks good on the hour chart at least. Only down 7 cents right now on the 2,742 shares. Can we make a little move here? If not, I'll just be out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put a hard stop in at 202 if it wants to come and fail that level. So my stop is there. Did not want to see it slam down here. Wanted to see it get through that 215, but I mean, it's kind of taking its time. It is a low float, so I am expecting it to move when it does get going. Right now, the risk is was at 202 up to right around 11. I don't know. I have to calculate once it moves out. Lot of red. I don't like that. It needs to hold over the 210s at least. Well, there's a little flash down. Needs to hold over 202s. The thing is, it doesn't look bad on a daily chart. It's right in this consolidation. So to sell at 202, it would need to break down this consolidation again, which I'll be out. Yep, there it's showing red. I do not like that. So VWAP becoming somewhat of a problem for it at 215. I think it's going to go ahead and stop me out. It's looking for more of a reversal. Okay, no big slam off of VWAP. which is good. Good news. Still down 10 cents right now. Some kind of war zone going on under VWAP. Can we get a trap going over the 215s? 215 right up to 215. 3,000 shares filled there on the tape. So let's see if people continue to buy at 215. Nope. All right. There's some weakness. Looks like it's going to come down and test me again. May test me out here. Just was not able to break. And SVFD up 241%. Yeah, that thing's causing issues with my trade here. The volume's over there on that one. But it never did give a dip. Whatever happened to that other one that was VTGN down to $12? My bad, I got tunnel vision. Let's look at some other stuff. VTGN down 41%, down to $12 down there. Look at what else we got. AD. Yeah, I really expected this one to hold up a little bit better than it's doing, though. About to close up the 5-minute in 40 something seconds. Can we close over the 210s? Uh, 40. So close the 5-minute red. Just not giving me anything that I wanted to look for today. Oh well. A low of 201s here. And it just was not able. Try to go red, came back up green. Try to go red, came back up green. And now it's looking like it's going to end up going too much red.
I'm throwing a stop in at 2.08.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go trade MNK. I like the setup better.
MNKI. Let me look. MNK, I meant. All right, MNK. Yeah, definitely moving. I don't know if it's a
MNK.
low float. It may be. Man, all I wanted was a retest of freaking retest of this 227 level would have been great.
I need a name not as volatile. I'm trading of a crappy laptop right now.
Yeah. Definitely want to trade with the best you got. Don't want to be sizing up on something too much. Come on, man. Just give me that pop. You know you want to. Give me those 212s. Shorts wanted this thing to fall hours ago. Hasn't failed yet. So give me my 212s. There's 212s. Can we see them fill in
I
on the
had some
tape?
good fills at 2.03 and 2.05 though.
Two 212s back up there. This thing's just kind of coasting sideways right now. And it's right under the 215s. Come on, give me that 212 rip. Okay, so um I'm probably just gonna continue to watch this thing throughout the day. As long as it stays above what did I move this up to? 202. I might just move this back under 199. If it dives under 199, I'll be out. That's a $2 breakdown, and I'll have to take that stop. Put it under 2 right there. As long as it's trading above 2, I'll be okay, but I just did not expect these two to do so much today. SVFD, which is halted down again, and then VTGN, just doing the most, man. Okay, new candle open there. Let's see if it can get over this high. What's this high? 217. Losing faith that you can get up there, man. Losing faith.
MNK Putin in a nice candle.
Okay, so this was indecision, this 210. So let's see if it can break above indecision of the 210 here. 10 cents away from my stop. Can you break above indecision? Nope. Looks like it's going to be coming down.
I live stream Monday, Wed, Friday from 8 am to 9 am CST.
Can we see a little bit of green? Anything over the 210s? It's 9:47, yo. Definitely missed that whole meeting, so I'll catch up with them later. Wait a minute, what's going on? Somebody's called. Let's see who called over here. Okay. This is crazy, man. This thing's losing everything, and SVFD has come out of the halt. Not really moving that much off of where it was. 176 up to the $2. Oh, did I just get stopped? Oh no, I didn't. What was all that? Oh no, I didn't get stopped. Just holding here. Want to see anything above the 210s would be dope. Yep, seeing things below the 210s not looking good for me. 206. Can we get a pop back up to the indecision of 208s? Nope. A little bit of momentum building to the downside. I really want to respect this consolidation here, thinking it was going to hold up over this. I really still think it can at that 190. I may just respect my first plan with the 190 because I really think it can get out of this consolidation. I really do. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stick to my original plan. I kind of let what I saw kind of dictate what I needed to do. I'm just gonna go back with the 190 and sit it there and give it time. And whatever happens, happens. Because I've made this plan before the day started, and then during the day, what I'm looking at is like, is this thing gonna go? And then I'm letting it play with my mind. I just need to woosah, let it chill. It doesn't have half bad catalyst or anything like that, so just gonna take a deep breath and chill out. Want to see the buyers, and it may take buyers a little bit of time, so I'm willing to give them some time here. Definitely want to see it back over 210. Let's see what else we got. MENK was the one you were trading. Doing a lot of pop and lock though. Popping up and going back down real quick. SVFD. I don't know how many times I made a plan and then I change it during intraday, and that's what messes me up. Then I see it continue upwards later on, and I'm like, I would have been okay. I would have been okay. So I'm just gonna stick with what I got and accept the risk that I'm taking. So now VWAP is looking like it's at 217s, 10 cents away for a VWAP test. Of course, VWAP is a lagging indicator, so it doesn't necessarily mean the world, but everybody can see VWAP. So we just need to see it back over 210s, and this, if this becomes support, that would be beautiful right there. Two oh sevens. All right, SVFD headed back down. VTGN not really doing anything as well. Let me see if there's anything other big movers or anything we can look at. This one was the one with the catalyst on the day, which is why I went with it. It had an engulfing candle from the other day. It's looking like it's, I mean, it's got the 96 here. And my stop is at the 80s, and that's why I was putting my stop there. You can clearly see this little level here. If it pushes through that, I gotta be out, you know. But definitely giving it a little bit of chance to kind of consolidate above this level. Even if it throws some wicks, hopefully it doesn't get me out there at the 189s. You know, just being patient. MNK blowing up. Got over this 166, went up to 176, so 10 cents there on the breakout. Somebody's keeping this thing around 210 for now, so I'm okay with that. Not for long though, looks like. Some sellers coming in there at 205s. Let's see if they can get bought up. Yeah, I saw that. That was a pretty nice move. Come on, 205, get up. Just a little pop. Let those buyers know you're there. So another try to break down. Let's see if it reclaims the 205s. It's only 5 cents away from the 210s. 3 minutes left on this candle. 205s getting a little activity. Can we see 206s, 207s? Back over 210s. Almost 2 6s, 206s. So this is multiple times testing this little bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 times it's tested here. Closing up this candle in 2 minutes. 1 minute, actually. There's 207s. Can we get a move here? Can we figure out some kind of trend on this thing other than the downtrend? We know it's had a downtrend and kind of coiled off here. PRZO showing a little bit of green. Again, holding this level of the 205s. 205s, man, is looking like it's going to become the all-out point, man. If it comes back down here, I don't know. It does not need to come back down here. Kind of spooking me out. If it can start to break over this 210 again, then, I'll definitely consider this as a stop for 205. But I want to give it time to show me what it can do. Only down 16 cents anyway. This candle needs to close over 210 though. Two 208s. If we look at the overall range here, where it's come down to, where could it possibly test up to is my next question. Would it be the top here of the 230s and then fail? Or could it push even higher than that? Because it's got 250s up here. And it's got 277s up here that haven't yet been tested again. VWAP right now is at the 217 still, so 10 cents away from VWAP. Can I start seeing some type of trend though? Like it's so, like you can't even really see one. This is pretty much just a support, not a trend. It's crazy. Definitely taking a little pause break here. SVFD continues to halt all around the day. VTGN pulling back up there. MNK pulling back as well. Went from 67 up here to almost 77. Not exactly 77. You're the only one with the catalyst, bro. Where are the people reading it? Come on, man. Get that 210 up. At least 208s. All I see is 207s going on the bid, which could be a good indication because it is holding sideways. With a lot of 207s coming in here, it could be either a big move up or it could be a big move down. So there are a lot of 207s being traded around here. 208s. If this thing can break out of this red 212, I'm going to go ahead and put my stop at 205 here. Can we see a bunch of 208s come on the tape? Need to see more. All right. Still a lot of 207s in this little steel point. VTGN about to go under 12. Or it went under 12 and it's holding around 12. 207s. I don't know how many 207s have gone through here, but there's some big sizes on the ask, but we need to see it push through the 208s. It has not yet done that. There's 208s coming in. Can we see a bunch of 208s? You see a bunch of green 208s. Come on, big boy. You're the only one that's not halting like crazy. You got a good hold point of these lows. So all you gotta do is fulfill your purpose as a low float. Rip. So now it's past 10 o'clock, 10:30. I'm gonna have to go ahead and log off, and I'll just continue to watch this throughout the day. But still got my stop at 190. As long as it's above 190, I'll be in it. And gonna let it go. Yeah, the first news of the week. Pretty good news as well. Working with the pretty much a little AI incorporation, and working with some drone systems. But yeah, I'm willing to let it play for today. There is a little bit of green. I almost got to the 208s. Oh, there's a bunch of 208s. Can we see some green ones? There's 209s. Can we see some green ones? We want to see people buying above the ask. There's the green. Look at that. 212s. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. All right, so the low here is 206, which is going to become my stop. Now we're getting somewhere. Low 206, 205. There we go. Okay. Look at that. Look at that.
Pal, it's Israelian. Might get public offering. Please don't hold.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get paid today though. A lot of the Israeli stocks they get a little boost. Let's see, was this 203 bottom? They get a little boost and then they fell out on the consecutive on the following days. Now I'm not looking to swing trade this. This is just a day trade, but it is showing me a little bit of strength here, and I will be looking for it to hold over this 205 ish level, coming back up to the 215s now. I do like it. I'm down 11 cents right now. Looking for it to get up here to the 24s. 15s, come on now, don't play. And another failure, I will have to be out though at the 204s. So I set that stop out. If it comes back down, I'm out. Could not get through the 215s again. It's another failure. $215. So it's hitting the 215s where we were looking. That is where VWAP is. We look on TOS, we can see it coming back into this consolidation. So looking for it to break over 215s, break and hold. And now I'm down 10 cents on the day. So can we get this push out above the 220s? 223s is where I need it. $215s being a problem there. 11,000 shares at 215s. Look at that. 11,000 holding it. And the number is increasing. So let's see if that can get bought through. Lot of shorts on top of this one. Can we see 16s? Green 16s would be dope. Let's see if we can start seeing some kind of trend here. So the low of this was 204. The low of this was 202. There's a very small trend here. Not even really applicable for this. Very small trend. I'm looking for that break of 215. Down 9 cents right now, about 200 bucks. And this is what I was saying. If it doesn't want to hold here, I'll be out. On the re-break of 205, I have to get out. It's a little too much weakness if it does that. Can we start to see some type of trend be applicable? Can it push off of this trend? So it's definitely taking its time with this break and hold of 215. I'm gonna go ahead and put some limit orders up here at 233, and that way if it does pop up there, I can sell a little bit, 10 cents up. They just posted some news about a second order. Again, it's just repeat news of what they did earlier. But I do not want to see it break down this 204. That'll be major weakness. And we got it already red on the day. So I wanted to see it go ahead and get over that 210, and it just cannot seem to hold it. BTGN came back up to 13. SVFD absolutely killing on the way down. I tell you what, I don't know. Our chart doesn't look bad, but I don't know. Really wanted to see those 215s hit stronger. But somebody could be accumulating shares here, so I don't know. May just need to let it play. The hour keeps playing around with this indecision. I want to see it push back into this body of this previous candle. Not 15. Oh, coming down, huh? That was quick. Literally looked away for a second. Wow. What's the bottom of this? Low of the 204s. Just not seeing those buyers come in there aggressively there. So may get stopped out. It'll be like a $500 loss. if it slams through. We had a whole lot of trading at that 207. I was like, okay, if 207 can hold all of these orders going through, how many people are going to be willing to hold it instead of dump it? And that's kind of where we're sitting right now, at the point where they're like, do we hold or do we dump? Eight minutes left until 10:30, and I'm gonna go ahead and close it down. I'll continue to watch it. If it stays over 204, great, but I'm not gonna play with it. It's had a while to settle here, and so the chances that it's gonna go ahead and drop through is very high. It's kind of grinded down to this level and not been able to break over that 215. So, you know, I'm like, okay, you're telling me all I need to know. 206s. Okay. Coming back down to this area here, 204s. Now, previous low was 202. Question is, am I going to get stopped before this thing? Because it failed the consolidation twice. I just do not trust that this thing is done for the day. I'm going to be hard-headed, and I'm going to put that stop right back at 190. See if it can hold this uptrend. Give it a little bit more playroom to try to hold it. I just got a feeling it's going to come, throw a wick down, and still hold this 196 level. We got 5 minutes left, and I'm going to go ahead and shut it down. And yeah, we'll see where it goes from here. If it does start to go up, great. If not, usually these types from the Israeli stocks, they usually do everything they're going to do in the day, or they have a little bit of continuation on down the road. But, you know, I'm just playing it as a day trade, playing these lows here, looking for it to retest maybe the 225-ish level, 230-ish. That'll be 10 cents. But definitely needs to hold that 210 up. BTGN back up, went all the way back up to a high of 17. Come on. Again, it's in this 207 level. I don't know. When you guys get into a trade like this where it's like you see the play on TOS and it's like I see it. I plan this out and I just get nervous in the trade. I'm like, this is the consolidation I want. I want to see it move out of this level over the 225s here. But I'm so scared of it just coming down. I think what it is just a lot of fear. And like I said earlier, I want to be able to accept the risk fully, because it's just no point of just being in this kind of state of, I don't know. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down so I can get my eyes off of it and just let it play above that stop. And I'll come back and check it later on today and see if it can get on up there to that 225-ish level. Because sitting here watching it just plays with my mind a lot. I'd rather just get on to some work because I am definitely behind on the day. But anyway, appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated in the Discord. The Discord link was dropped multiple times in the chat. And yeah, I'm going to let it play. And if it stops me out, if it gets past 190, 189, I'm out. If it plays up, great. But I will probably come back after lunchtime, not streaming, but just to check it, just to get my eyes off of it for a couple of hours, to walk away and kind of reevaluate the situation, what I need to do next. But yeah, that's it for me today. Appreciate you guys once again. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.
Good vibes.
Peace.
Have a good one, everybody. Hand giving peace sign.